how did NSA influence your creation slash innovation at Roman Roads with your brother?
So there's a fairly direct correlation there because I was always had an entrepreneurial side. In fact, I thought I was coming to Moscow to do 1 year of liberal arts because I heard that was a good thing to do, and then go to the U of I for business. And it was at the Christmas after 2 terms at NSA, I realized this was. I thought I wanted to go get a degree to learn practical things, but I realized what I really wanted was the NSA education. So I completed my NSA education, and I've been so thankful for it since because it not only prepared me for life in a more general sense, but specifically for on the entrepreneurial side, whether I did go into education. So that direct correlation is that I run an education curriculum company, and whose goal is ultimately, in my mind, to prepare students for New St. Andrews. I will succeed if the teachers in this room are getting applicants who have used our curriculum and they feel like they're better prepared to go further than we ever did. It's the education I wish I'd had. So there's a direct application there. But running a business, when you get a technical degree, so often you are you excel in what you've been taught up to your level of incompetency. And that's why so many CEOs and so many leaders, politicians, people who are influencing society have a liberal arts background of some kind because they weren't taught skills that they get upgraded to their level of incompetency, and then they have to learn liberal arts skills. They were taught liberal arts skills up front, which mean they had the tools to actually learn whatever's put in front of them. You know, how to learn something new, learn it through and through, excel in it, become the best in that field, and that's why you don't hit that ceiling. So New St. Andrews was a direct preparation because of the field I'm in, but much more indirectly it was more relevant that it gave me the soft skills that allowed me to start new things.